Yeah, my friend calls it the smoker's lung bridge.
Yeah.
Either that or a crunchy bar, you know, like when you've got honeycomb in a chocolate.
Yeah, it's an interesting bridge. Yeah. Is it walking or
it is walking? Yeah, there's the sort of shopping areas just through there.
Okay.
And then you sort of got the marina. There's a skyscraper I think to your left, which I think is currently the tallest building in Wales. So not exactly getting way up there. So if you just look to the right in a second, you'll see up to the castle. Let's see if I can get up there to the right actually. There we go.
Oh wow, yeah.
I'll just get up and do a U-turn. But yeah, it's an 11th century Norman castle.
Wow.
Funny enough, that's where I learnt to play golf.
Really?
In the playing fields underneath, yeah.
Yeah, that's awesome.
So yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
This big apple, this is all the cast iron thing where they used to sell ice creams and things from, so I'll just go to the car, but you can stay, go where you want. Right, and you'll get a lovely view as you come round.
Oh wow. Oh my god. That looks awesome, dude. Go to traffic light.
And there's Langland Bay.
Wow. Whoa.
Iconic hole, 16.
16, okay.
Yeah.
It's tight.
Oh yeah.
That's
yeah, you've got a few passing places, but
oh, driving range?
Yeah, it's a little practice area.
Yeah. Oh yeah, we're good. Oh yeah, it's a little jumping. Oh, that's beautiful.
Just that sort of stuff. So,
this has got to be it.
so this is the main office.
Nice, that worked out.
Yeah. Around 91 they did that. So this was the old 18th green, and then they shifted it. They dug the lake out and shifted the 18th green.
Wow, this is
there.
beautiful.
So yeah.
Oh my god, this is really nice.
Yeah. Swings back there, nice.
Wow. Wow, look at that.
Yeah, this is hardly changed actually, from what I remember.
It's really cool with the history.
Yeah. This is probably going to be 40 years old. Yeah, I mean, look at that photo. That's so dated, isn't it?
Wow, yeah.
This
looks like it's
16.
AI.
Yeah, that's 16 screen.
That's... All right. It's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Wow, this is cool. Wow, what a beautiful room.
Yeah, it's great, isn't it?
To watch golfers coming down.
Yeah, a bit different from the American style stuff, I'd imagine. Wet stays in there.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, this place has it all. So is that you right there?
Top
Chris.
Well, yeah, Chris Thomas.
All right, that's awesome. Get real local.
Oh yeah. Jazz band that we had in school, we actually played in here.
Really?
We did a jazz night for people, so we actually were at the far end. And,
oh yeah, you could see that they probably have.
Yeah, so they did an event night, and we actually played music in here.
Oh, they got some cool pictures. Wow, 1990.
Yeah, 1900. Yeah.
Oh yeah, 1900.
Yeah, 125 years.
I'm off by 100 years.
Yeah. Oh, there we go. New 18th green, 1992. There we go.
Okay. Interesting. Wow, cool history.
Looks Faulkner.
You must have been young then.
Oh, yeah, I was, well, 17, 18, 19, yeah.
Golly. All right, we just got here. Let's take a look at this course. Whatever you're playing, whatever works best. I'll play wherever you're playing.
Yeah.
Keep it simple.
Off these blues, then?
Yeah. All right, we're off, Chris. All right, let's go ahead. 18 holes here in South Wales. Wow, looks nice. Oh, nice. Wow.
Dread to refresh the news.
I know. That's why it's a club with some amazing history, being built in 1901 and opening just soon later. Cutting down a lot of those in the States.
Really?
Yeah, we had a course 1892 and they cut down their famous tree in the middle of the fairway.
Yeah. Go for the green if you're feeling confident, or just lay up.
Just you?
Yes, me.
Okay.
Yeah.
Same brand, man. You confused.
Yeah,
I was
it's
like,
much
geez,
more-
I leave
yeah.
your club on the hole already? Ball.
I spent many hours in that bit of rough on the left as a junior looking for golf balls.
It's a fun little course, man.
Yeah.
Growing up on. It's pretty cool. You got to grow up on this course too.
Oh yeah, it's great.
Here is hole 3. And it has that old historical feel to it, with some of these holes having a backstop.
Yeah, good shot.
And they call it the Pebble Beach of Wales, and I could see why. Just being on the 4th hole here, you get some amazing views. Definitely some elevation.
Oh yeah, there's good view coming up.
Yeah, this is
Prepare
really,
yourself.
this is nice. What was your favorite hole here? Number 8, right?
I like 8, yeah. 7's difficult, but it was nice.
7.
This is always a challenge because you've got to rough and out of bounds.
Oh wow, look at this.
It's okay. It's not easy way to play this. This is stroke 1 coming up then.
A nice summer day. It's got a jump.
Oh yeah. Back box.
Yeah, we're here in the spring, beginning of the spring, so it's not as great, but still grateful to get out here.
I think there's out of bounds on the 5th.
Okay. You just want to get right up there and just shoot it again.
Yeah, so maybe 4-iron. If you aim for that sort of second post.
On that second, okay.
White one, and then everything should kick.
Yeah, get them interested in it.
Yeah. Just makes you aware what's out there. Yeah, you've got nice visibility today, you're lucky.
Oh yeah. You can see it.
So that's probably looking about 35 miles.
Really, it's this one.
Yeah.
And then this hole.
So 15 is a par 5, and this is the longest par 4.
I don't think I never see anything like that.
Yeah.
Never. I was like, I don't know if
Now
I'm...
you finally made it.
Hey, the bus systems was pretty easy.
Yeah, and I noticed your fare was very cheap as well.
And it really does feel like Northern California. Can't beat this.
Your normal tee box.
Wow.
That course. And then down there, yeah, where they have the white tees sometimes.
Oh wow.
Down beyond that.
Oh yeah.
But smell the course. Like coconut?
Yeah.
Yeah?
A little bit, yeah.
Yeah, it's just magic.
Yeah, you can smell it. Wow, look at that. Windows has been running not too much. It's friendly, it's nice, it's affordable. You can come out here, you can really enjoy a part of Wales. And people aren't just gonna say it's a destination for golf, but I think it is. You know what this old structure was? Oh wow.
But it was in ruins when I played.
Okay.
30 odd years ago, so they've actually opened it out. There used to be a bit more of a hedgerow back there.
Yeah, it's awesome.
But, yeah,
Right on the hole.
a lot of history, certainly. Again,
It is a cool course. Oh wow. Cool. That's nice. You can tell, man. They put some work in this one.
yeah.
Oh yeah. We have some of the courses in Ireland when you get closer inland.
Okay.
Nice. And now, just no wind. It's almost like a little valley here. It's a totally different golf course on some of these holes. It's really hidden.
Yeah.
So right over that, boom.
Yeah, but the safe play is just sort of probably about a 5 iron, 6 iron, down to the corner where that blossom tree is.
Okay.
Just on that sort of line there. Over the middle.
Wow. Holy mackerel. This is
Off
awesome.
the back boxes, this is fun.
Where are we hitting? From up there, right?
So yeah, from the blue tees we're going to go. I'll just move this out of the way, get back. So what we got here, 142. Nice. Yeah.
Got a huge practice area. And the course ends right here where you can see people on the beach and also finish your round of golf. Take a look at the pro shop though and the clubhouse.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that the carp was from the 1100s. So, yeah, fairly old. Whoopsie. They tend to be plain but slightly aromatic rice.
Okay.
Obviously this is rice which goes with this one,
Okay.
so it's like a vegetable sauce. And this is like sort of a sweet tomatoey tandoori chicken. And then you've got a traditional, this is peshwari, so it's like sort of, I think it's almond and coconut in that. So it's sort of slightly fragrant. So, yeah.